Okay, today we are going to go over probability with permutations and combinations. So, let's first figure out what a permutation and a combination is. So, here we go. Maybe. A permutation is an arrangement of numbers in which the order is important. Actually, yes, no. On Friday, when you were doing some of your homework, some of your problems were permutations and you didn't know you were doing it. I think one of the questions was like, you have a 4-digit lock, the numbers can't be repeated, right? And it was like 0 through 9. So how many total options were there? Right, from 0 to 10. 9 is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 options, right? But if they can't be repeated, how many options are there for the first spot? 10. And then for this guy. And then this guy. And then this one. And then we just multiply. That's a permutation. Okay? So you were doing it without even knowing it. Isn't that fun? Okay, the next thing we need to talk about is a factorial. I think some of you might have seen this before, that little exclamation mark on your calculator. That's a factorial symbol. And what that means is you take the product of the number and all the numbers less than it.
The exclamation mark.
Oh. So,
I don't know where it was.
If I want to find 3 factorial, that's all you're doing. 3 times 2 times 1.
Not here.
I've got a column.
Probably on the graphing calculators. I'm pretty good at scientific calculators. So 3 times 2 times 1 gives us 6. And then 0 factorial is always
0.
1.
1.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Just a goofy one. Write that one down. Write that one down.
I'm going to go get the other copy.
It's under your foot. You were hiding it this whole time. I was hiding it.
And lastly, a combination. It's an arrangement of numbers with the order is not important. So if we just need to figure out how many people are being selected, but we didn't care in what order, we would use a combination. Okay, these are not in your notes. Look up here. Read the situation and tell somebody sitting next to you if it's a permutation or a combination. So does the order matter or does it not matter? The security code on an alarm system. Tell your partner whisper it. Oh, it doesn't work like that. Okay, who wants to share what you said? Permutation. Choosing 5 people to be on an advisory committee.
This is an advisory committee, so I think this is very important to use them all. The last one was
Okay, let's bring it in. We don't need to have side conversations, just decide is it a combination or a permutation?
It is a combination.
Combination. Selecting 10 freshmen to go on a class trip.
Now freshmen aren't going to be that important.
Well, that could be a permutation because you don't want to take a bunch of troublemakers.
We're just doing random. Combination.
Oh, dude, I knew it. I knew freshmen were
Selecting a sophomore class president, vice president, secretary, and treasurer.
You see sophomores are pretty important.
Permutation. I think there's one more.
Well, they're definitely way more important than freshmen.
The numbers you enter to open your locker.
Permutation.
Combination. It's a locker combination. Why do they call it a combination if it's not a combination?
That is a good one, but we care.
We care.
We care about the order.
That's kind of a lie. No one actually uses their locker.
But if you did use your locker, you would care.
I know.
Okay, these are our 3 two formulas we are going to use today.
Here.
They're already in your notes, but just so you know, these are what we will be using.
Wait, don't move yet. It's like in the notes. It really faded.
Yeah, I guess make sure you can read it in your notes. If not, darken it so it's accurate.
Interesting. Have you seen this?
What is that? Sure, we're okay.
Pretty awesome.
Okay. Where's the key? I don't know.
There is. Oh, okay.
It's like when you shot
It's just
those
another
speed
variable.
back to breathing and
You
stuff.
see how it's like R1, R2?
Don't let the
Maybe just be
Falcons
some
blow
number.
23 leads.
So, yeah, it's just
Back,
another
pick up the
variable.
Yeah.
take the ball.
No,
This is it.
Yeah,
Okay, now I can
found
read it.
it.
Okay, we ready?
I didn't finish it, but I found it.
Okay, here we go.
Alright.
It says Eli and Maya, along with 30 other people, signed up to audition for a talent show. Contestants are called at random to perform for the judges. What is the probability that Eli will be called to perform first, and Maya will be called to perform second? So step one, we have to figure out permutation, combination. Does order matter or does order not matter?
No.
Yeah, it matters.
Why?
Trying to
If they want
find
us
who's
to get 'em.
first.
It's a
The
combination that's random.
contestants are called at random.
Yeah.
But it says when is the probability Eli will be called first and Maya second? Does
Question
order
mark.
matter?
Yeah, it does.
It matters. So I'd write down permutation. That's the formula we're using. Order matters.
Why does it matter if Eli's called first?
Because that's what it wants us to find.
For what?
Because that's what the problem wants.
Listen to what the problem was.
Yep. Okay, so this N is your total number of options. How many contestants are there?
30.
So we're going to have 30 factorial.
Isn't it 32? That's those two along with 30 other people.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, heck.
That's typo.
Mike,
Typo, you're so right, Mike. Go with 30. Or fix it up here. Make this 28. Sorry, kids. 28.
Alright.
Okay. So then I'm going to plug in 30 for N. And the R is our 2. We have 2 people we're worried about. Now we're going to simplify. 30 minus 2 is 28. So an easy way to simplify this is watch. 30 factorial means 30 times 29 times 28 and so on, right? So I can write 30 times 29 times 28 factorial all over 28 factorial. Because what's going to happen with these? They're going to cancel out. Yes.
I know that might simplify it later on. That'll simplify to 30 times 29, right? But would you be able to simplify by just taking out the factorial, the 30?
No, because you just have 30 over 28. So you'd be missing that 29. Because right, if I were to keep writing this numerator, it'd be times 27, times 26, times 25, 24, 23, all the way down to 0, right? Whereas this 28 would be times 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, and so on. So instead of having to write all those numbers out, I can just stop here because I know they're going to cancel. So now we're just left with
30 times 29.
30 times
You
29.
know that there are more ways to shuffle a deck of cards than there are atoms in the universe.
I've heard that if
That
you
is
shuffle
crazy.
a deck of cards correctly, you can most likely find like an order or a pattern that's never been seen before.
That's true.
I believe it.
Did you know that I'm really good
Everything you're
Okay,
I didn't
what
even
is
hear what
30
it
times
says, so.
29?
at it? 870.
870. So there are 870 ways to to mix these people up. So what are the chances that Eli goes first and Maya second? There's only one. So 1 out of 870 chance.
Tom, Tim, Jim, John, Cam, and Ty.
Okay, let's try another one. A class is divided into teams, each made up of 15 students. Each team is directed to select team members to be officers. If Sam, Val, and Shane are on a team, and the positions are decided at random, what is the probability that they are selected as president, vice president, and secretary? So do we care about order?
No.
No.
Yeah.
Because we care who's president. Like it says it wants Sam to be president, because that's what respectively means. So it means the first person matches with president, Val, vice, and Shane, secretary. That's what respectively means if the order matches up.
Oh, that makes sense.
So now we're doing a permutation again. So what's our n? 15. So 15 factorial over what goes down here?
15 minus 3.
4.
15
3.
minus 3
2, 1.
factorial. Okay, what's 15 minus 3?
12.
Okay, remember we can simplify this.
Why is the 15?
So 15 times 14 times 13. Should I keep going after 12? No, because think that's going to cancel out with our 12 factorial in the denominator.
2,730.
1 out of 2,630.
Yep, but 1 in 2,730 chance of it happening. Yep.
Big number.
Yes. We got it. We're a team.
How do we feel? Do you feel okay? Kind of?
What we got?
How am I keep?
Alright, let's do another one. What is the probability that a 7-digit telephone number with digits 5, 1, 6, 5, 2, 1, and 5 is the number 550 5211?
Combination for permutation.
No, there's no 0.
Okay, do we care about the order?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, because
Yeah,
it's a
phone
cell phone number. We do care, otherwise we won't get to the right person, right? And do you see how we repeat numbers?
We got a problem. There's no 0.
That's okay.
No, it's not. How are you gonna make a telephone number 0? There's no 0.
Just for the sake of the problem, it's okay. So Max is right. Repetition, because do you guys see how we have numbers that repeat? 5, 5, 5, and 1 and 1?
But no 0.
Just let it go. Okay, how many spots
And there's
does a cell phone number have?
7.
7. So that's your n.
Did you get 9 from this? Literally not.
I could see 7 or 10 because of the area.
This is supposed to be a 0 you're interested in.
Yeah, I figured that out.
Okay, so now this R on the bottom is how many times is something repeated? So is 5 repeated?
Yeah.
How many times?
3.
3 times.
1, 2, 3. So it's 3 factorial. Okay, let's go to the next digit. Is 1 repeated?
Yeah.
Twice. Times 2 factorial. Is 0 repeated?
No.
No. Is 1 repeated?
Yeah.
Oh, we already said that one. Is 2 repeated?
No.
No. Okay, now from here, we're just going to simplify again. So what does 7 factorial really mean?
7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3.
Yep.
So what's the R? Oh, okay, never mind. I got it. Never
You
mind.
good?
Good. I got it.
RKO.
It clicked. We're good.
Does it make sense why I stop after 3
Yeah,
factorial?
then we can factor out the 3.
Yep. So our 3 factorials, oh no.
Stupid dumb board.
Cancel. What is 2 factorial?
2.
It's just 2. So an easy way to do this is, can I cancel 2 out with anything, or can I
You
simplify?
cancel 0 with 4, you can.
64.
Well, if I take a 2 out, I can take a 2 out here, so this now becomes a
2.
2.
I mean, that's cool, but why would you even do that?
Because
It's smaller.
then your numbers are smaller. So now we're left with 7 times 6 times 5 times 2. Crunch it out.
420.
Oh,
So what are the chances of getting that number? 1 in
420.
20. Yep.
so childish.
It's gonna be so hard.
Yay.
Okay, how about you guys try the next one? It's another repetition.
You know you're doing
Lots of 4 times 5
There's a lot. Okay, so this is permutation with repetition. Yeah, I want to know who's asking this stuff. Like, come on.
And like, you know what, I'll just tell them I asked you. So, I don't know.
Permutation with repetition. And it's 9 total. Over. And then we have everything, it's 9, the pattern is all 9. So, it is 5. Where's blue, gold, blue, green, blue, gold. Okay, so it's like that. So then we get rid of the. Okay, so we could do 9.
There's 3 times 3
Yep.
5 over 5.
And how would 6 case? The only way 6 would come 2 would be 6.
11. Okay, so get rid of the 5. We have 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 over 2 So that's 2 times 2 right there. So that gives 4 down there. We can take 4 out of the 8. So 9 times, wait, so it would be, yeah, so 9 times 2.
Okay, so actually, what do you do? 8 divided by
9 times 756. 1 out of
1 in 756.
Yeah, we're smart.
I How do we feel? Did anyone get that?
I got it.
Did you?
Yeah, I did. You're like, where'd you go? What was
So, look up here, guys. Hey, if this simplifying besides the factorial confuses you, so I took 2 times 2 and got 4. So I took 8 divided by 4 and I was left with a 2. If that confuses you, type this number in, enter, divide by what's left in your denominator. If that's the part that's throwing you off, that's fine. I just like to make it as simple as possible first. But it is just calculator work. So if that's throwing you off, don't do it. Okay?
So you could do the 9 factorial over 5 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial.
You could.
Now, say,
Yeah, you could. It should. It should. Type it in right. Okay. 2 left. A set of alphabet magnets are placed in a bag. Wow, I have a lot of typos in here. Sorry, kids. If 5 magnets are drawn from the bag at random, what is the probability that the letters are A, E, I, O, and Q?
And sometimes Y.
yeah.
So first, permutation, repetition, combination.
Combination.
Does it say that we care in which order the letters are pulled from?
No.
So it's just combination. We don't care what vowel comes first. We just care that they're all vowels. So what is our N? How many total letters are in the alphabet?
I'm not I'm sorry.
26 factorial.
Everybody forgets mine.
Shh. What is our R? 5, right? How many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
15 years of your life, you realize there are 26 letters in the alphabet?
It's so loud.
Or should we celebrate now that we know that there's 26 letters, right? You gotta look at the positives here, Mike, right? Positives. All right, 26 minus 5. 21.
I'm out of space for it. I have
So from here, my 21 factorials go away. And now it's up to you. If you want to type in 26 times 25 times 24 times 23 times 22, which I missed, all over 5 factorial, that's fine. Or you can just figure out 5 factorial too, which I think is
101.
Five factorial. Don't have it on here. So what was the difference on my bad? You're not completely useless ever. Why'd you pull the 120 out?
okay, what did you guys get for your final answer?
Ooh, that's what they need. 65780.
Yeah,
That's what I got. 65,780. So 1 and
You don't even like
If the top one gives 5 factorial.
What do you
that's what 5 factorial is. Because I think you guys are getting confused. 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 equals 120.
Hey Tristan, I started writing down this stuff.
This is space.
Okay, 1 left. Joe can invite 6 of his teammates to join him at the theme park for his birthday. He chooses to invite his friends at random. What is the probability that Tom, Tim, Jim, John, Cam, and Ty are chosen?
If he wants those guys, then why doesn't he just choose?
because you can.
Because he can, that's right. Okay, permutation, repetition, combination.
Why can't he choose them if he wants them? It's his party.
He has to be random. What if he chooses like 6 of his least favorite guys in the team?
He likes them all. It's a math problem. Just do it.
So which one is it? Do we care about the order in which they're chosen?
Yeah.
No. So it's a combination.
What do the R's stand for anyway?
I don't know. So it's
What's the C
6.
stand for?
I'm not gonna answer any of your questions.
I was looking for my homework. I found it.
Oh no, or is it 20? Oh no, it's 20 and then 20.
Can I still do it right now?
Yeah.
So that is 20.
Who got it first?
Me.
Doesn't matter how fast you go. It matters.
Oh,
No.
here's a 14.
Yeah.
Factorial.
Yes, you do.
Just how much
Yes,
better.
you do.
720. So, 20.
Oh, yeah. If you said
9, 0, 7, 2, 0, 0. But I'm not gonna write that out. I'm just gonna do it. 3, 8, 7, 6, 0.
Guys, what are we getting for an answer?
38,760.
1 over 38,706.
Yeah.
I agree with that.
It's funny.
Yep.
So I can't like if it doesn't explicitly like say anywhere in here, does that mean I don't have it? I don't have the explanation.
I have to
No,
look.
So I have a K, and I don't know what that means, but I don't have it.